So we just are doing industry day, and we just stumbled across Switch It Up's new rig, and this thing is just amazing. You know, we're loading our motorcycle in the toy hauler in the back, and you know, it's always a huge production, and this is an actual slide that comes down and loads up, so there's no more fighting with the bike. It's easy peasy. That's pretty awesome. An LED screen, you know, movies at the huddles. But this is a SpaceCraft, and the cool thing about this, Todd and Shelia were able to show this vision to a ton of sponsors and companies that are all supporting RV life and RV living, and they all got on board because they could all see the vision and the dream, and that to me is pretty spectacular. So there's a lot of people coming out right now, but I will walk in just a second. I just wanted to check this out and see what it was all about. So they're voting. So what design do we like best? So I'm gonna step up in here and go this way. And again, this is a toy hauler that they've converted. Looks like that might be a Murphy's bed or even a power room, but a small deck, and then party decks up there. I'll show that to you in just a minute. Back bath, pretty modern.
I was like,
well played.
yeah, exactly.
Little kitchen, residential kitchen. That's really nice.
What do you think?
He was awesome. One of the guys. It looked so good.
Yeah.
We
I'm a little jealous. A little bit.
trying to get the layout down a little bit for tomorrow and Thursday. Wesley's leaving tomorrow.
Wait, you can't escape without telling me how you
Ooh,
look.
couch.
I love it. Y'all did a phenomenal. I know it's been a labor of love.
Perfect.
Oh, that's what I like to see.
Hello, how are you?
It's cool. They got their own washer and dryer room. This looks like it's just washer only, but maybe the dryer is going to go in here. Vice versa. Shower. Pretty nice. Bathroom. Liquefied. This is pretty spectacular. That bed. I need that bed. That bed is amazing. Kevin's going to ask what I liked. That's what I like. And a full dresser.
Crazy.
Because you guys just have industry day, so.
This is what I was gonna show. Look at that. The party deck is up top. It's pretty awesome. All right, so Kevin's gonna ask what my favorite thing is. My favorite thing right now is the bed. That is spectacular.
What's wrong with the bed?
Nothing's wrong with the bed. In fact, we need one, but
Well,
it's the
what's
bed.
up with the bed then?
It's one of the Tempur-Pedic adjustable beds, and it's spectacular.
So it means it moves up and down and I don't have to snore?
That's right. That's right.
That would be awesome.
So if I had to choose one thing, it would definitely be the bed.
Just one?
Just one. And then, you know.
You don't want the big truck and the trailer to get the motorcycle on the back of the trailer?
Maybe the motorcycle, because I'm tired of dealing with the motorcycle like we deal with the motorcycle, but maybe the motorcycle. That'd be it.
But she
So-
likes riding on the back of the
But I
motorcycle.
like riding on the back of the
figure it out.
motorcycle. So anyway, so he told me what was my one thing. It's the bed. So now it's his turn.
Well, I already know what the one thing is. It's got a sound system in
Okay,
it.
in
that
you
was
go.
that was really simple. He put in a sound system. So for an old sound engineer, that's the sound system. He can have a rock and roll concert right out of the back and then have video to go along with it. So if you haven't followed them, make sure you follow Switch It Up. Todd and Shelia, they're awesome. They are always trying to promote RVing for everybody, and we truly believe that if they raise the tide for everybody, they raise it for all of us. So follow them at Switch It Up, and make sure that you like, subscribe, and share their videos, because it's awesome.